Guess who's back again? Where is he? There he is. He's back again. You little psycho squirrel in the tree. Oh, he's gone. There he is, little psycho. Another. A little scratch. Gotta give him a name. What do you reckon his name should be? Comment. Do you reckon his little name should be? Your little psycho squirrel. He's gotta have a name on it. Your little psycho squirrel name. Not sure what his name's gonna be, come on. You're looking mad at me now.